Okay, so what you need now is you need a Torx socket. So you pull this up, the cover for the top of the seatbelt. You take your Torx bit, you put it in the hole, and wait, hold on, this isn't going to work with the extension. Alright, there we go, my friend. I don't know how hard this is on. Okay. Here, hold that. The light boy. There you go. Pull that bolt out, set it to the side. Don't sweat. Crap. Okay. Now what shall we take off? It's this panel. I think that just comes off all in one, huh? So, should we pull this one out? You can pull that one out. And it has a place for the seat belt to slip out of. Yeah. Alright. Are you recording? First battle wound of the day. Okay, there. Right over there. How are we looking? So, so look, once you lift this up, looky. Damn, they really did a good job installing this shit. You think I should just reuse that stuff? Well, let's see how far it goes up. Wow. They took everything out. Well, where's the end? Like, I'm trying to see where it ends at. I think there's a slit in the carpet somewhere. It's probably underneath that. It probably all comes out underneath the bottom. Alright, so let's take that panel off. You filming? Hold on. It's going. Oh, it is? Okay. You pop this panel off, it just pulls right off. Bam! Okay, now, oh god. We gotta get all this crap out of here. All your clutter. Uh-oh. Do you have a bag you can put it all in? I might have a box. Right here there's a little pin, plastic pin holding in the weather stripping. I just took an open and wrench, went underneath it, and just pried it up, and it popped right out. You got to be extra careful though, because you don't want to rip the weather stripping or break the little clip. And that's it. Well, I'm going to unplug your defroster. Unplug the defroster. I don't know if it's necessary or not, but I'm going to do it anyways. Just in case. I'm gonna go back there. But I'm sure we could do it without pulling our center off. You know? It's coming on. Let's see what's behind this. There we go. Perfect. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
And it's off, my friend. You can just maneuver it out. Like that. What?
My speaker's got a hole. It's got the front pushed in.
Where?
The knob.
Did I just do that?
No, you didn't.
Oh, I know that happened.
No, people have been in here before.
Well, what kind of speaker is that?
It's just a stock one, the Bose one.
You don't have other ones?
I could go get some kickers or something.
Yeah, that's how it works though. That's up to you.
I'll just leave the stock one. It sounds fine. We could change those later.
I got that part cleaned up a little bit.
Okay, so we're gonna remove this console right here. And you need to remove certain things. You have to remove this cover, which gets into the ignition where there's a torque screw. And then there's a Torx there, a Torx there. And then, back here, you have to remove these caps. You could do that now. And then you got a nut there, and a nut there.
Here, let me get in here.
So I'll put these up here. And you have to remove this out, like this. There's 2 bolts inside here. Okay, so these are coming out.
Okay. So we got those.
Let's put it back. Put them right here with these caps.
You took those off?
Yeah, I took off the caps back there.
You film it?
Yeah.
So this will be. Oh, you have that cover? Oh, here it is. Put that with that.
Okay, so we got that. And we gotta take these 2 back there. Disconnect those.
Cool. Alright. You hear that?
I heard some birds chirping, some ducks quacking. Quack.
What was that one, a 10mm? That was 10? Right?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
There's one here, there,
Excuse
there.
me, ma'am. Alright. Where else?
This one, that one, and that one.
I gotta. Okay, hold on, don't scratch it.
I think we take this out too. We disconnect those or something. We didn't take the shifter ball off.
You don't have to. You have to?
I don't remember.
I don't think so. It'll just come out. Alright. Is that it?
Do we have to disconnect this?
Watch out. Yeah, might as well. Careful. Damn it. Damn it! Oh, that's the airbag thing. Hold on. Okay, I'll plug this wire. Hold on. I got a screwdriver here. Tape.
I think you have to unscrew this off.
Here, watch out.
Or does this come off, that piece? I don't know.
What else is connected in here?
I think that just comes off.
This is connected. Okay. Off. Okay. Let's see. Now that we'll just leave there. Okay. So this should just come right off. Hold on. You don't want to scratch anything. Be careful. Oh, get in here really quick. Alright.
Does this just twist off?
This? I don't know.
Or do you have to take this out and then...
I don't know. Nothing in there.
Oh, maybe it does just twist.
Yeah? You think so? I'm not gonna. I wouldn't try it. Just leave it. Oh, I'll just pull it up. Hold up. What's holding it on?
Oh, it's the fender.
Think of. There's a lot to take off. More than that video shows.
There's just a couple more plugs there.
I guess I'll fit through there. Hold up.
These just unplug. Like this. Like.
Unplug them. Okay, do the other one. Got it?
There's a way to do that.
Wait, let me see it. Okay, I see it. Here, hold this console up.
Okay.
Just hold it just like that. I have this special tool that I've created to take that off.
Okay, so now we got the console out. The console's just kind of leaning to the side of there because we had to move it over the top of this. And this just pops out of the console, the little shifting boot. Hold on. Okay, so you take out those screws that are on the sides, and you just pull the deck out, and you have to disconnect the.
There's 2 screws like that. One there, and one there. Unscrew them, 7mm, and the deck pulls out. Take off the wiring.
Yeah, so it's not too bad. This is the little antenna wire, and then I already had some RCA's in there, so I don't have to run those. It's a cool thing, because then I would have to take more stuff apart. And that's the remote wire for the amp. All right. Okay, so over here I got an install kit where the stereo gets mounted into, right here. I got the stereo down there that I got to open up, and then I got this little Bose inverter thing. It's called a Corvette 1997, 2004. Just helps so it doesn't overload the amp, stock amp in there. Need to get the, what do you call it, the little ears. Oh, they're piping up there? Okay. So you're getting the ears? Yeah, the ears. Okay. But I gotta figure out which ears are gonna be, which ears I'm gonna use for it. So let me put these out. Okay.
Z06.
Probably these little ones, I'm thinking. It's got some screws there.
Corvette.
These little ears. Like Mickey Mouse ears or something.
What are they?
Mickey Mouse ears.
So what are you doing exactly?
Mocking up the ears. Because I want to see what's going to work with this mother freaking thing. You know what I'm saying? You smell me on that shit?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I don't know how these things work though. How these things.
What are you doing, my friend?
I'm just finishing up the connectors for the amp bypass in the wiring harness. It's coming out pretty awesome.
Unless
I hope I don't have to use that aluminum. Okay, so this is one of the hardest parts of this job, where the power wire goes. But luckily, somebody ran one in there for me, so I already have a hole. And if you see in here, right down there. Let's see if I can get it. Underneath that grommet there, where that wire's going in, you see that little hole there? They drilled a hole right there, and they put in a plastic grommet in there to feed the wire. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to knock that out, and I'm going to make the hole bigger for a 4 gauge, and then replace it with another grommet. So there's nothing behind there. It's still good. It's safe. And what we had to do is, oops, is you have to pull out this little panel that's right here that has these little plastic little clips there. So it's not too bad. And it's got some Velcro over in that corner. And you can get to it from under there. So you have to take apart quite a few things, but once you get that done, you're good to go to run your power wire. Okay, so what we got here is, I got this kicker battery terminal where the 4 gauge goes into. It plugs in right there, and then it has other accessories if you want to run other power wires for like your camera or your TV or whatever you want to put in your car. So the power wire kit that I got comes with this fuse. And since we ran the power wire, I'm going to connect this into here. I'm going to cut this. I'm going to install the fuse to the power wire, and I'm going to mount it on this back wall back here with you could either screw it in back here, or what I would suggest, get some 3M sticky tape and some Velcro so you can remove it so you have no holes in your car. And with having holes there, it might lower the value of your car. So you take the cover off of this, and then you have to loosen this screw right here so you can fit it on your terminal. Well,